At Generation, we are working every day to break the bias. We develop support system frameworks to support our learners' progress, customizing their support and consciously helping them, not letting their past dictate their present.
Keep going. And yet, if you don't make it, tell yourself it's okay. Failing is okay. Imposter syndrome mainly results from a fear of failure.
So find out what works best for you, and remember what works best for others doesn't necessarily work for you. But if there are options, go for the method that you learn best, and you'll likely find that you learn a lot faster. Learning is the essential part of the software engineer's role. It doesn't end after you completed a career conversion course and get a new job. And it definitely doesn't end when you're in the job. So as you know, tech trends, tools, software all change very quickly.
But if it's a negative comment and somebody is being awful to you, realize that human being is probably acting out from different sorts of things, and take it up and get other views. Don't let that stop you, don't let that stunt you, and don't let that hinder you. The biggest thing is self-care. It's the most important thing is your mindset, who you are. You're never going to have control of everything all of the time, but you do have control over yourself.